What, this one? D100. That's sick. Whose rides this one? This guy?
Both.
Nice. What is there a lowering kit on? Like, what kind of lowering kit is it? Or you just
That's how we built it. Yeah.
you cut the springs, or you,
Yeah.
is it leaf
Clipping.
leaf springs? Yeah.
That's actually Ford Crown Victoria
Oh, really?
front clip. Yeah.
That's crazy. That is phenomenal. What year is it?
64.
64? And you got a MSD in it, 440? Oh, not bad. Where'd you pick it up?
Other side of Barrie a couple of years ago.
Yeah. Nice. How long you had it for?
2 or 3 years.
2 or 3 years? Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
yeah.
I think I've seen it before.
Probably have, yeah.
Definitely. Is that the original teal?
I'm not sure, to be honest. I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna repaint it after, or are you gonna keep it?
No, I just keep it like that.
Keep it like that? Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
Do you drive it in the wintertime?
No.
Is it an open diff? Open diff kind of thing?
Yeah. It only gets out 2 or 3 times a year.
Yeah.
If that.
How much? How good is it on gas?
Not good.
No good.
No. It's not good.
Is it a manual too?
Automatic.
Is that automatic? 3-speed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Not bad, especially with the Mickey Thompsons. Those look like the original Mickey Thompsons too. Yeah. Very cool. With the 8-foot box, it's actually pretty unique. Like, that's an 8-foot box.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. Different.
Yeah. That is rocking for sure. Nice. Oh, thank you, sir.
Yes, everything is okay.
That is pretty sick, though.
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, is that 2 4-barrels? Or is that... That is quite the freaking 4-barrel setup.
It kind of looks like it's me. It's definitely too automatic.
Nice truck, actually. You know the thing about patinas? That they're... What? This is something else.
Oh, yeah, he is a big cooler than that.
D100. Beautiful car.
You know what pisses me off is I bought mine last year. Remember we went to the barbecue?
What's that?
And it was like
That one. Oh, that one.
oh, the black one.
Oh, yeah.
I seen it on the side of it.
I just ordered spaghetti, but it's not coming till me. But I got the wheelie 48 roadie or whatever. Pulled around. Yeah, that's it. It has the wheels. So it's like $600.
But it works fantastic. Like I'll put I'll drop my bag rice and fill it up. There's water in there too. So it's working. Everybody waving at me.